Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Zanzi, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Molweni. How do you say it in Chivenda and Tsonga? I don't even know. How are you guys doing, man? My name is TT and I am from Botswana. Here we have DJ Maphorisa. I feel like this is one of the greatest artists in the world. They have pretty much started a whole genre, and that genre went on to take over the world. I live in the USA, and I cannot tell you how many times I've had people playing, listening, dancing to piano music, which is like, this is crazy stuff. Like in Africa, you listen to hip hop, Lil Wayne, all the people, and here you listen to all the piano, Maphorisa and everything. This is success. So I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be reacting to this song because who knows the copyrights and stuff. Because big artists move differently. Anyway, let's get to the song, man. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.
Ngabe siyafika na izikhalo zethu baba singabantwana bakho.
This is like a gospel song that has been taken and twisted into some piano vibe. I love it.
Siyafika na izikhalo zethu baba singabantwana bakho abo baxolele na bangamazwi Yesu baba
Yo, this is like a love letter to all the churches out there in Zanzi. Okay, so for those of you who do not understand Zulu, let me tell you what the song is all about. I don't even know Zulu 100%, but I can understand for myself. So it might be difficult for me to like convey the whole thing. I'm just gonna give you the gist of what the song is saying. Basically, he's saying, the song called Abantwana, which means kids, your children. So the song is basically saying like, God, are you do you hear our cries? Not even, because that would be rude. Do you hear our cries? Like, we are your kids, and it's very dark in this world, which is true. It is true. So yeah, that's basically the whole thing. I don't want to get myself into trouble. So if you are from South Africa, I do hope that if you want to see the translation of the lyrics and stuff, because this is a big artist, you can find them somewhere on the internet or go to the comment section. I'm sure somebody with a good heart have just managed to translate that for you, because I know that this music is being listened to all over the world. Okay, like you go even to places that don't speak English, which also makes sense because the song is in Zulu. So this is a perfect Christmas song. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's been released at the right time, the right, Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's playing all over Shabin's hotspots, cars, funerals. That's a beautiful voice. This person has a beautiful voice. Nkosazana daughter. Beautiful. Yo, this is a beautiful song from the, I mean, like, you know what I mean? I think I started this video saying like this guy's pretty much started all this piano thing. I know it's a debatable thing out there, but you know, let me just roll with that, okay? Like, just go with it. And I mean, it shows because like, this is masterpiece. The music is just mellow. It's beautiful, and it's gospel music in December in Southern Africa. Oh my goodness, this is like a gift for the whole year. Okay, so yeah, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too. I think I said that. So you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. I would say normally I tell people go watch this video, but you know this Maphorisa. So